Hello and welcome creators to the first Creator Lab video. Today I am going to show you guys how to make branded tissue paper. This is typically something that people will use to wrap their products in, to send out to customers or clients. And I just wanted to show you guys a quick and easy way and a very accessible way to make your own branded tissue paper. And I'm going to use Canva today rather than the more expensive design programs, just so that, you know, everyone has access to it. So we're going to start out with an A4 size document, which is really just an 8.5 by 11 inch, just a regular size piece of printer paper. So we're actually going to be taking the tissue paper and taping it to the one sheet of printer paper. Now with Canva, you can easily create your own design. You have the option to create, you know, your own text here. They have some font combinations here that you could also use and just customize to fit your own brand. Now today, what I'm going to do instead is I have my logo, and that's what I'm going to use. Now, typically I'd go here to upload media and device to find whatever it is that I want to upload. But since I already have my Creator Lab logo here, the Creator Lab, we're going to go ahead and just use it from here. And I'm going to go ahead and close that window. So now, like I said, this is going to be printed out on it's going to be on the tissue paper itself, but the tissue paper, because it is so soft and thin, I'm going to be taping that to at least one sheet of regular printer paper. So I'm going to turn mine sideways because I want mine to, I said sideways. I'm going to make mine vertical as far as the way that it's showing here on the screen, so that you know, when it prints out and it actually is being used, you know, it'll be more of a horizontal design aspect. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Use my logo here. I'm going to duplicate my logo, and I'm going to stick this here. And with Canva, excuse me, they do give you the little grids to make sure that things are even. Now, you don't have to make anything perfect per se, but you want to definitely use the guidelines to make sure that things are even. There we go. All right, so I'm going to continue to duplicate this. I won't talk through this process. I'm just going to quickly go through, create something. All I'm doing is duplicating and positioning them in the way that I want them to go. Alright, so here we go. I've created the branded tissue paper on this document, and what I want to do is I'm going to go ahead and save this. So I'm going to save this as Creator Lab tissue pattern. Alright, and we're going to go ahead and click these three dots over here, go to download. In this case, I'm going to use PDF print because I want this to print as if it were a document that was just focusing on text. I don't want it to print as if it were an image. We'll get into that probably at another time about why. So I'm going to go ahead and download this file. So it's already been saved. Now I'm going to quickly show you guys in just a moment how to print this out. Alright creators, here I am just showing you quickly what I'm using to do this. We've already created the document online or on Canva. So we're just using some regular tissue paper, the gift wrap tissue paper that you find from like Dollar Tree or Walmart, some tape, scissors, and of course your sheet of printer paper. So I already cut this to exactly where I want it to be. It's not perfect on each side, so don't worry about that right off the bat. I would cut a little bit more so that you can fold it over on the back. So basically what I'm about to do is take this tape. I'm gonna fold these sides over the back of the paper, and I'll show you what that looks like once I do it, and then we'll stick that into the printer. All right, so I literally came back because the printer paper seemed a little bit more flimsy. So I ended up getting just a black piece of cardstock and doing the exact same thing that I did before. I just taped the tissue paper to the cardstock, and this is the back, and this is what it looks like on the front. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this into the printer. Okay, so this is pretty much how it turned out of the printer. And now I will say my printer did something with the ink that's weird over here. But overall, I mean, this is cute. Now I'm gonna take it off of the cardstock because it's black. So of course that's affecting the color as well. I'm gonna carefully remove the tape, and I'm gonna go ahead and try to make the edges as straight as I can. But I would say not bad, you know? This is not bad. I'm just saying. Just a few tips and tricks, I would say. If you're going to do this, definitely use a cardstock, like a thicker cardstock. I use a black, to attach the softer tissue paper to, and make sure that there are no spaces in the front at all, just to be sure that your printer is able to grab that and not tear it. Now with my printer, it did do something here with the ink. I'm not sure what caused that, but I'm going to try it again at a different time. I'm not just going to show you, the perfect things or things that turn out, what we think is perfect, but I'm going to show you the imperfections as well. But overall, I think this is an excellent result. Like, I really do. I really think this is a great result. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you're notified when I upload new videos. And go follow me on the social media pages as well for the Creator Lab. Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, all that jazz. So thanks for watching. I appreciate you all. Go out there, create your own lane in your business and in your life.